see the wind in the trees, and I heard a song in the breeze. It was there singing out my name. But I'm not a girl. I have known the taste of defeat, and I finally grown to believe it will all come around again. Though I may not know the answers, I can finally say I'm free. And if the questions let me hear, then I'm who I was born to be. And so here am I, open arms and ready to stand. I've got the world in my hands, and it feels like my turn to fly. Oh, I may not know the answers, I can finally say I'm free. And if the questions let me hear, then I am who I was born to be. When I was a child, there were flowers that bloomed in the night, unafraid to take in the light, unashamed